Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use the FreeCAD software to create such a kind of design beverage glass, and it can be used for 3D printing. I had to create it in one of our first sem projects. So hello professors, this is Mitadru Datta, roll number 21AE10024. So first I have used the XY plane and draw a octagon. There is an octagon and I have copy pasted it 3 times, so total there are 4 structures, initial plus 3, and I have made it concentric. I have reshaped it and added it to a single folder also here in the left pane, and I have also drawn two concentric circles, one of the bigger one which I have done padding, which I am telling later on. So as of now I have 6 shapes, 4 octagon, 2 circles, all I have reshaped it. 4 octagons, all the 4 are of different size. One is very small and is fitted here in this position. And so as of now I am having 6 shapes in the XY plane, and then I have selected each one of the shape and I have used the octagon. First, this circle I have shifted it -10 to the z direction. Then another sketch, the biggest circle I have placed it at the top 120 millimeter above the z axis, and another octagon is 100 millimeter above z axis, another one is 40 millimeter, and another is at the origin 0, 0, 0. Here we can see the coordinates and we can change it the coordinates from here only. So after that I have used the loft feature to connect all of the shapes, and then I have done the padding of the lower and the bigger circle in fact. Then I have used the cut feature, and first I have gone to part option and then selected the sphere, and then I have oriented the sphere by changing its coordinates in such a way that it is exactly between these. Before that I have also added a thickness here. And so I have drawn the sphere in such a way that one part of the sphere can be seen from here as well as from the inside position. Then I have performed Boolean operation over the sphere so as to create such a kind of design. Before creating the cut option in Boolean feature, I have also used the polar array. As we can see here, polar array we can create. This option we can create in the draft. In the draft option we can use this. Here the polar array options are there. So I have placed the center of polar array as 0, 0 axis, and number of array is of course 8, and then I have used the Boolean feature by which this option I have used. Then this part was created, and to generate the STL extension file I have exported it. I have selected the cut like this and exported, and hence I have created the STL file, everything in my desktop. Everything is in my desktop, and STL file is also there. I can open with Cura software here, and I have set the parameters accordingly. We can see all that it takes 5 hours 2 minutes to print this, and the conditions I have set as like fine 0.1 millimeter, and infill density is 40%. As we can see, the speed is 70 millimeter per second, and it will take a total of 5 or 2 minutes to do this, and we can see it part by part happening like this in the 3D printer. And we can now just save to disk, and it will generate the STL code which will be saved in a file in our external storage, which will be fed to the 3D printer, and hence we can perform its operations, and the G code generated will guide the arms of the 3D printer to move accordingly so as to generate such a kind of figure.